So the whole We're in Pampanga team and invite po dito sa may Chili's SM City Pampanga. We're excited.
And this is the newest Chili's
Actually,
na nag-open.
Entire Philippines, ito yung newest. We featured before yung
Chili's SM City Clark.
Yes.
So nagpunta na tayo doon. Ngayon naman, dito tayo sa SM City Pampanga.
I'm actually craving for yung mga fajitas, mga barbecue
Or
ribs.
ribs. Ribs ang hinihintay ko dito.
Guys, if you wanna know more, samahan niyo po kami. Let's go! Yun guys, so table's ready, order is done, we are ready to eat.
So introduce them muna yung mga ano natin.
Exactly. So,
dishes natin.
ito yun guys, so meron akong kodigo dito, ito yung in-order natin.
And so for our dish today, so meron tayong ultimate dipper.
For the appetizer.
Meron tayong classic nachos, crispy bacon salad. Siyempre ito yun.
Yay!
Meron din tayong fajita.
Chicken and shrimp.
Baby back ribs and chicken. Meron tayong fish and chips. And syempre for our soup naman, yung kalang powdered chili bowl.
Yan. Here you go. So we're ready for our dessert. So we ordered molten chocolate cake, which is ito natry namin sa SM City Clark. It's a must. And then another one, ito yung fried cheesecake. Ito bago naman para sa amin kaya gusto namin siyang i-try.